life is very, very brief. We do not know how long we're going to be here. The Stoics talk about memento mori, right? That we are mortal, that no one chooses how long they live. Kobe Bryant, we lost tragically, right? He was 41 years old. Think about all the things that he didn't get to do, right? Life is very short. So you have to ask yourself, have I been doing my best? Am I making the market by bringing what I bring to it, right? Am I creating work that can endure? Am I happy with myself? Am I happy with the process, even if it doesn't? That's what I remind myself. I control what I put in. I don't control what I get out. We control the effort. We don't control the results. So if I died tomorrow before the book came out, would I know that I didn't leave anything on the table, that I put everything I had out there up until that last moment, that I didn't phone it in, that I didn't take shortcuts, right? Ask yourself, is this the legacy that I want to leave? Have I put my best self out there? Not, did I find the way to make the most money or get the most customers in the shorthand? Did I capitalize on the most trends? But did I make something that really matters, that really has impact, that has a chance to survive and thrive and keep going when I've moved on or when I'm not even here anymore? Ask yourself, did I do what I was put on this planet to do? Did you do the thing that only you could do? Did you do the thing you couldn't not do, not the thing you thought would be the most profitable, right? Was the joy of doing it enough, right? Because if you don't really love this, if you're not enjoying every moment of it, what are you doing eating glass? This is crazy. Go get a job, right? So are you doing it because you love the process, because you love the moment, right? You could leave life right now. That's what Marcus Aurelius said. Let that determine what you do and say and think. Thank you guys very much. We really appreciate it.